As you know, the price of nowadays AIs are skyrocketing. But what if I told you Google already has powerful AI tools that you can use them for free? In this video, I cover all of them. Let's go. We'll locate all of its AIs into Google AI Studio. So just search it on your browser and open the website. In this menu, press on Get Started. I just close this option and I need to accept the agreements. The first option that we are going to talk about is Gemini TTS. It will turn your text into audio, so you can find it in Generate Media. And in here, you'll see Gemini Speech Generation. So I click on it. In this part, I will select single speaker audio. Okay. If you want to create podcast, you can choose this one, multi-speaker audio. And in this part, you can type the speaker number 1 text and speaker number 2 text. Okay. At top part, you can say how this AI should read this. As an example, it says read aloud in warm, welcoming tone. Okay. So I just go back into single speaker and in here type my hook. So in the model setting, I can increase and decrease the temperature. I close it. And in this part, you can choose different AIs, okay, different AI models. I just select the first one. And on the voice part, I can play the voiceovers and see which one is better for me.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Nope.
Got a project in mind?
Okay, we can also change the instruction in this part. Right now, I don't change it and press on run.
AI subscriptions are expensive. But what if I told you Google already has powerful AI tools you can use right now, totally free?
If I want, I can click in here and download this audio. Okay, easy peasy. With this part, you can share your screen into Google AI, and if you have any problem at some point, Google can help you. So let's start using it. I just go to the Stream tab. In here, select Share Screen. In this part, you can select a specific window, and you can also select entire screen. In this part, I give allow permission. Okay, allow for this time. And right now, my screen share into Google AI. Hey Google, can you help me with this tab? Does the analytics sounds good or not?
Well, looking at your analytics, your impressions are around 1.1K, and your click-through rate is 0.6%. You've got 15 views so far, which is 7 more than usual. It's hard to say if that's good without knowing your specific goals, but the increase in views is a positive sign.
Do you think the average view graph sounds good for this channel or not?
Based on the image, the average view duration is 1 minute and 27 seconds, which is 43 seconds longer than usual for this channel. The watch time is 0.4 hours, which is about the same as usual. So the average view duration looks quite good.
If you want to use this stream option, you definitely need good internet connection. And that's amazing. It looks like the pro guy is sitting next to you and guide you. That's amazing. The other amazing option that Google gives us is this build tab. You can type the prompt and this build option will create an app for you. Okay, so in here you'll see examples. So upload a photo for yourself and add it to see how it looks like on you. So I'm going to use this one with check. I click on it. So this is a preview of the website, and if I go to the code part, I can see the codes. Okay, amazing. So again, I go to the preview part and it says that you need to upload a photo. So let's select the photo. As an example, I'm going to select this monkey. It has a slider, so after this generating done, I can slide it and see the transformation. Okay, this is the photo that I sent into this AI, and this is the result. Amazing. It did well. So right now you can download the app and you can also save it into GitHub. That's amazing for programmers. You can switch API key, you can share app, and do many other things. You can also save a copy into Google Drive. I just press on back to start, and if you have other ideas that are stuck in your mind, you can just simply type them and give it a prompt. Okay, so if you want to know how to become master of prompting, watch the video that will appear in the end screen part. You know that Google can create music for you as much time as you need. Okay, that's not going to limit you up to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and these kind of things. So let's see what's going on. Again, I just go to the Google AI Studio and go to the Generate Media, this tab. In here, you will see Lyria Real Time. I click on it. This is the music maker of the Google. In here, you need to type a prompt for it. Create an R&B music for me. Absolutely, you need to type better prompts, but right now, I just send this one. Right now, it's thinking about it. Now it's analyzing it. I'm waiting until this analyze part finish. Okay, it thinks about the prompt that I gave into it, and right now it's ready. So if I press on this play button, you'll see the changes. You'll see how easy it makes music for us. Lifetime, no copyrights at this game. You can also change musics with these nav bars that Google gave to you. So let's try them. Let's try them. Okay, I stop it. So right now you can also save this one into your Google Drive. You can download it and do many other things. You can also save it into GitHub. So here's the preview that all of us see. If you go to the code part, you see all the codes that Google type to create this one. Okay. And if you press full screen, you will see it like this. If you want to use music for your background music and any other things, you can use this stuff. Won't copyright strike. Okay. Nothing. You won't get anything, because that's the thing that you made it. Let's have tech guys talk about Nano Banana and the way that it can generate images. But we have another image generator AI that published by Google. Okay, and the name of that is Imagine. So this one is Nano Banana and the other one is Imagine. I click on the Imagine. The difference between them is if you have any ideas that is sticking in your head, you can use Imagine, and after that do other things with using Nano Banana. Okay, this is the difference. I choose aspect ratio. I previously had a JSON prompt. Okay, so I copy that one and paste it in here. It says that save your conversation in Google Drive. This is the recommended one. So it means that if you close this conversation, you can easily access into the text, into the images that Google made you after you reopen this Imagine stuff. That's the result that Imagine gives us. So you can like it, you can like this response, you can dislike it, you can view it in larger mode like this. You can download it and you can also save it on Drive. You can export it on Drive. You can also copy that one. So if you don't like any part of this image that is created for you, just you need to improve the prompt that you gave into it. Okay, so you can type anything and improve it. So right now I'm going to tell it change background to street. Okay, this is the result that Imagine gives me. That's the street. Okay, background easily changed into street. Finally, the option that Google let you use it for free is VO. Okay, video generator after Google. Google only give you free access into VO2, the VO that won't create any sounds for you. And here you can select aspect ratio and you can't change anything until you buy Google Pro account. Okay, so when I click on this describe your video, it says that you need to enable Google Drive, so I press on enable. So right now I'm going to paste the prompt that I have, and if I click on this plus part, I can upload image, use the camera, sample media, or use my drive. So I press on upload image. You need to confirm these things and press on run. Let's see what Google did for us. I press on play video. You don't have any audios, okay, but it creates the video. So if you want, you can use this option. They run and they talk to each other. So if I want, you can download it, export it into Google Drive, and do these things that were available at the Imagine part. This will shock you. Gemini is the only AI that can see videos right now. I mean, it can see it frame by frame. You can easily upload your video or give your video URL into Gemini and ask help for him. All done. If this video helps you a lot, don't forget to smash the like button and sub to the channel. If you want, you can see this video too. On that one, I'm going to help you how to become master of using any AI. See you there.